Today I am going to talk about something which is touchy and feely. I'm going to talk about time. Don't you feel that we are all studded and stippled by time? Studded by clocks. Clocks outside ourselves. Clocks within us. Biological clock. Circadian rhythm. And we have all kinds of clocks. Clocks in the computer. Clocks on the wall. Clocks everywhere. They measure the time. How do you measure the time? In years? In months? In weeks? In days? In hours? In minutes? Seconds? Nanoseconds? Yes, we are all stippled by time, bound in the matrix of time. The nerve velocity, 100 meters per second, heartbeat, 72 times a minute, blinking of eyelids, 12 times a minute, breathing, 14 times a minute. All these happen with certain regularity, and they are all time bound. From childhood to boyhood, boyhood to younghood, adulthood, middle age, old age, all are bound by time. Old is something that you always have to confront one day. Old age is not like visiting a country, go to and return. We are moved by the arrow of time. Time moves unidirectionally. It's irreversible. But the time moves in space. And what is space? Space is the distance between two objects. The distance between me and the moon. The distance between me and the sun. And suppose the distance between the moon and myself increases. The time frame will change. Imagine the time taken by the amount of light that comes from the sun to us. If the distance increases, it will change. So things change with time. We are all bound by time, but it's very frustrating to see that we are all inextricably bound by it. We are bound by seasons, the blooming of flowers, falling of leaves, melting of iceberg, melting of glaciers. All these things are time dependent. But time and space are they changeable? Perhaps yes, or perhaps not. But in any case, it appears sometimes that both time and space are some kind of illusion.